Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of tech. In today's video, we will be taking a look at Amazon's Fire Max 11 and covering all you need to know. If you're a fan of our content, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating videos. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. Features and design. Right from the moment you hold it in your hands, you can feel the premium build quality and the confidence that you've made a wise investment. Sporting a sophisticated graphite finish, square-sided design, and a solid feel, this device exudes a sense of reliability. Amazon claims that the Fire Max 11 is 3 times more durable than the 10th Gen 10.9-inch iPad, which is evident in its striking resemblance to Apple's tablet. From the similar bezel thickness to the rear camera's placement and protrusion, the Fire Max 11 pays homage to its iPad counterpart. Even the front camera finds its home in the middle of the long side, just like the iPad. To further emulate the iPad experience, Amazon has integrated a fingerprint scanner into the power button and offers optional keyboard and stylus accessories. Delving into the specifications, we find that the Fire Max 11 and the iPad mirror each other with features such as Wi-Fi 6, USB-C charging, and a base storage of 64 gigabytes. Of course, it's essential to keep in mind that the Fire Max 11 is not positioned as a direct rival to the iPad, and given its price point, certain features like a True Tone screen and 4K video recording can be forgiven. But let's not forget, it's the software that can make or break a device. We'll discuss that in more detail later. Other noteworthy aspects of the Fire Max 11 include a micro SD slot for affordable storage expansion, hands-free Alexa integration, and improved camera capabilities compared to previous Fire tablets. Both the front and rear cameras boast 8-megapixel resolution, and while the rear camera may not see much use for most buyers, the front camera excels during Zoom calls, delivering impressive results. Screen and speakers. Let's talk about one of the standout features of the Fire Max 11, its impressive screen. With a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels, everything appears sharp and vibrant on this display. The colors, contrast, and viewing angles are all top-notch, contributing to an enjoyable visual experience. Moreover, the screen is fully laminated, eliminating the air gap between the front glass and the LCD display found in the 10th Gen iPad. This not only enhances the overall build quality, but also eliminates any hollow sound when tapping on the screen, adding to the tablet's solid construction. When it comes to brightness, the Fire Max 11 falls slightly behind the iPad, with Amazon claiming a brightness level of 410 nits compared to the iPad's 500 nits. Neither tablet is particularly suitable for comfortable outdoor use due to this limitation. However, in shaded environments, you might still be able to utilize the Fire Max 11 for web browsing and reading Kindle books outdoors. Nevertheless, it's important to note that watching videos or engaging in document creation or editing might not be as enjoyable under direct sunlight. In terms of audio, the Fire Max 11 features stereo speakers positioned along the top edge, delivering sound with Dolby Atmos support. While the sound quality is acceptable for dialogue, podcasts, and using Alexa, it may fall short for music enthusiasts due to the lack of bass. It's worth mentioning that the Fire Max 11 does not include a headphone jack, a trend seen in many devices nowadays. However, you can easily connect your wireless headphones via Bluetooth 5.3 for a seamless audio experience. Performance. The Fire Max 11 bucks the trend of underpowered Fire tablets, delivering a zippy and responsive performance with its 4 GB of RAM. It outperforms its predecessor, the Fire HD 10, by 25% according to benchmark tests. The tablet's front and rear 8-megapixel cameras mark a significant upgrade in photography capabilities. Battery life is decent, offering up to 14 hours of usage, and a full recharge takes just over 4 hours with the included 9 watts charger. For faster charging, a 15 watts charger can reduce the recharge time to around 3.5 hours. Software. The Fire Max 11 software presents a challenge due to its lack of Google services and app restrictions. While it runs on Android 11, Google apps like YouTube, Google Drive, and Gmail are not available. Sideloading Android apps is possible but may not work properly without Google software. However, popular apps like Netflix, Disney+, and Spotify are accessible through the App Store. The tablet's productivity features include an official keyboard case and stylus, though app availability remains limited. Web apps like Google Docs and Gmail can be accessed through the Silk browser. The keyboard is useful with shortcut keys and a trackpad, while Fire OS 8 supports split-screen functionality. Handwriting recognition with the stylus is impressive, but palm rejection needs improvement. Alexa is hands-free and supports Show mode, transforming the tablet into an Echo Show-like device. Amazon promises 4 years of security updates, but no guarantees for Android version upgrades. Price and availability. The Fire Max 11 offers attractive pricing options, with the 64GB version starting at $230, while the 128GB variant costs $290. Opting for the bundle with the keyboard and stylus can save you some money, especially in the US, where it costs $345 instead of $370 for the 64GB version with accessories. However, in the UK, the bundle adds the keyboard for £90 and the stylus for £35, which are their regular individual prices. It's worth noting that the tablet includes lock screen ads by default, but you can remove them for an additional $15 or £10. Despite this, the Fire Max 11's prices are significantly lower than those of an iPad with comparable accessories. For alternative options, the Lenovo Tab P11 offers similar specifications, Android 12 laters, and access to a wider range of apps. When it comes to hardware, the Fire Max 11 offers plenty to appreciate, especially for those on a budget looking for a tablet with a keyboard or stylus. However, it's crucial to ensure that the essential apps you need are available on this device. While sideloading apps can be an option for some, it's important to note that it doesn't guarantee the functionality of all Google apps. If simplicity is your priority, an Android tablet like the Lenovo Tab P11 might be a better fit. On the other hand, if you primarily use Amazon services like Prime Video, Kindle, Audible, Alexa, and Amazon Music, and desire a high-quality tablet with a large screen, the Fire Max 11 could be a great choice. And that wraps up today's video. Let us know in the comments if you'll be considering this tablet. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.